this video, I'll show you how to combine text and video in Canva for a creative design. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new video project. Go to the Uploads tab and click Upload Files to add your video. Drag the video onto your page. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for Frame. Click See All, scroll down, and find a letter-shaped frame that fits your design. Add it to your page. Drag and drop your video into the letter frame. Double-click the video inside the frame to adjust its size and position, ensuring it aligns with your original video layout. And that's it. Your text and video are now seamlessly combined. If this helped, subscribe to the channel for more quick Canva tips. Thanks for watching.